quiet. For to learn alphabets. First we got so you know scissors, and I will show you what scissors are. These are scissors. And also we got a cut.
What letter are we learning today?
R.
R for what?
Mittens.
Road?
Rabbits.
Rabbit. Very good. Very good.
So first we're gonna cut, everyone. So now let's see how you cut. Today we're learning about R for rabbit. So I got a piece. Welcome to the alphabet. First we're gonna cut, and cut, and bite. So first we're gonna do tape, Mama, tape.
Tape over there. You down?
Oh,
There's one more.
Okay, so there's the tape. See? Okay. Okay, now we are gonna stick the alphabet to the matching.
Okay.
Okay.
I think you have enough now, yeah?
Think you have enough, isn't it? Now we're gonna tape. So now I'm taping.
R for what?
R, rabbit.
Very good.
Rabbit. Road. Plants.
Red. River.
Oh, so sun.
Sun starts with S. That's going to be the next letter.
But the sun is in sunset. So now we're gonna stick everything to the matching layer. You see me there? Hi. What R starts with? What R starts with? You tell me. That's what I already did.
Rabbit.
What else?
River.
What else?
Road.
What else?
Roar.
What else? Okay. Now, do you see me, everyone? I'm on the alphabet chart. So I'm going to put all the R's in the same place where they belong. Okay, now it's almost finished. Let's just keep that like that. I need 2 more tapes.
Okay, last one. Mm-hmm. Good job.